Do you want to give your staff a 99.6% chance there's going to be no people and plant injuries? My name's Jeremy Newton from Earth Moving Technology Solutions, and that's what we can provide you and your team. Let me run you through a quick demo of what we can offer you and your team. So here we've got one of our Lugong 15-ton excavators fitted with safety shield. It's got the external alarm and the automated stopping feature. The automated stopping feature will only activate once entering the red zone. The red zone you can see through the red cones here, and then a yellow zone indicated by our yellow cones here. Now, as I enter the yellow zone, there'll be an internal alarm that'll go off, letting the operator know that there's someone entering an unsafe zone, as well as the external alarm, letting the person outside of the machine know that they're in an unsafe spot, and then they'll hopefully move away. Now, as you'll hear, when I walk in to the yellow zone, that is our external alarm. Now, as I walk into the red zone, you'll hear that as well. And if we can come all the way up to the cab here, you'll see a little red man, and it'll also show you where the person is coming from. Now, our thumbs up feature, let me run you quickly through that. So we'll demo that now. Nick, if you just want to give us the thumbs up, he'll hit a little green thumbs up on the inside of the cab there. We'll both see it and hear it, letting us know that it's safe to approach. And what you'll also see is the hydraulics are cut off. This means can't come up here, Nick, lean over any of the joysticks, hit us off machines, injure us, stuff like that. As you'll also see, he'll still get a little man light up. Also let him know where he's coming. Let him know where we're coming from. And as we exit, I'll give him the thumbs up to continue operating, and he can now operate as per usual. So let me run you through a quick demo of our automated stopping here. Ready, Nick? Go. Now no longer moving. So here at ETS, we'd love to hear from you. Safety Shield is saving lives all around the world. Over 18,000 machines across the globe fitted with Safety Shield, saving lives each and every day.